Welcome to Bolon, Cebu, a town where every step tells a story. Join us on a heritage walk through centuries of faith, culture, and resilience.
This is Patrocinio de Maria Santissima Parish Church.
The Patrocinio de Maria Church is one of the oldest stone churches in Cebu. Built in the 18th century, this Baroque-style church stands as a symbol of the town's deep Catholic faith. Just beside the church stands the Escuela Católica. Built in the early 1900s, this old structure served as a school where children once learned under the guidance of church leaders. Later on, it became a convent and a meeting hall for parish activities.
This is the El Gran Baluarte.
The El Gran Baluarte, or the Great Watchtower. Built during the Spanish era, this strong stone tower served as a defense post against pirates and invaders. From here, watchmen guarded the seas, protecting the town from danger. It stands as a powerful symbol of Bolon's resilience and readiness to defend its people.
This is a house of Dr. Dionisio Niere, built on 1928.
A few steps away, we find the Dr. Dionisio Niere residence, one of the best preserved ancestral homes in town. Dr. Niere was one of the Bolon's respected doctors, and his home reflects the elegance of old Filipino-Spanish architecture. This is the old house of Cirilio Sistoso. Another historical gem is the Cirilo Sistoso residence, a fine example of the Bahay na Bato style, stone at the bottom, wood on top. Next on our walk is the Baño sa Poblacion, an old public bath believed to have been used since the Spanish era. Here, locals fetch water, wash clothes, and gathered to share stories.
Baño sa Poblacion, built in May 20, 1933.
Though simple, it reflects the communal life of early Boloan, where people found connection in everyday routines.
This is Baluarte sa Puente.
Finally, we reach the Baluarte sa Fuente, another defensive structure built to protect the town's water source. This smaller watchtower ensured that the precious spring was safe from enemies, a reminder of how vital water was to survival and how ingenious our ancestors were in defending it.